Well, hello there, my friends. So today is going to be a quick video, so there's no excuse for you to not watch all the way to the end. So today I'm going to give you an update on what we've been doing for our new shop. So as you can see, it's pretty empty here. We started our move. I actually closed my business down for that month that we're making the transition, and we're getting pretty empty in this old building now, and I'm going to show you what we're doing at the new building. And I'm finally going to reveal technique number one. So a lot of you that watch me here regularly, you know that I give techniques of my 45 years of doing upholstery. So I usually name or number my techniques. So there are people, they've asked me in comments, well, what is technique number one? So I'm going to let you know here in a minute. And here we are. So I've been working on this building here in our property 7 days a week for a couple months, actually several months now. 7 days a week for several months. I haven't really taken any time off because I knew that this deadline was coming for me to move from the old place. So I knew that there was still a lot of work that had to be done and still has to be done in the next couple weeks to have this thing operational, so that way I can start making some more productive videos of producing and fixing upholstery. There she goes. Here it goes. Uh-oh. 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 There it goes. I guess that'll work right there. Yeah. It's going to get its first wash in decades. Well, now this is their forever home. So I just cleaned them up, get them ready to accept their car covers. This is where they're going to sleep. That's all I gotta say. So now is that perfect time to hit the like button. So like. So that way other people just like you can see these videos and YouTube will help them find them easier. So there's still some trim stuff that I got to do on the outside, but I'm not so worried about that right now. I can always do a lot of that stuff later because I have to think about priorities. So this is the front door. This is going to be the main workspace right here. Maybe you saw the video I made of this hexagon lights. So we've got a tall 12-foot ceiling over here. And that's where the sewing machine is going to go against this wall. And you're going to be seeing that wall there in the future videos. So anyway, we've got a lot to do here. One of the last things I think I'm going to end up doing is the floor. What I have here is I have just a temporary solar system here, just so that way we can have some light and mostly for security. But I'll be changing that out soon with something more permanent. And hey, there's our trash bag. That's where we keep our trash. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that I like big doors. So I made this door here a 4x8. So that's really a 4x8 sheet of plywood there. And that's the door. So it's huge. I can move just about anything through this door, which is really nice. In our old building, they only had like a 36-inch door. It was hard getting stuff in and out of that shop. So what I have left to do here is some insulation and some drywall and finish up my electrical system. So I have to put outlets all over the place, outlets and wiring. So move all this stuff. This is all of our extra pieces of wood from construction. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. There's a lot of it. And today I'm going to be hanging up my bicycle here. My big vintage bicycle is going to go right there for my museum. And now for technique number 1. So what technique number 1 is always moving forward, never going backwards. Now you know. Well, after another hard day's work, you can tell I've been working. Till next time, we'll see ya.